before the implementation, we had a lot of manual processing. Things that we had to tie out in like Excel spreadsheets and different things of that sort. By implementing the new system, we were able to cut out all of those manual processes and the system do the work for you.
Basically, we become a one-stop shop for our customers. They don't need to deal with different vendors for different solutions. They get everything they need for their business under one umbrella.
So with the SAP B1, it has allowed us to have more visibility and see inventories that are available for movement or transfer within our system. We do have several different locations that we transfer material around from, so it does allow that inventory transfer to be visible to everybody else as well.
It is saving a lot of time. Our close before used to take anywhere between 10 days. Now it's down to 5 days, and we feel like we're going to get it down even further.
Well, I think that B1 Solutions is a little unique, okay, because I feel like it covers the world. So it's a nice combination. It's worldly, so you get to see the rest of the world, and it's small enough that you can actually get on a phone and talk to them.
I would definitely recommend B1 Solutions to other companies. I think that with their help that you can achieve any of the financial goals that you have in regards to being a more efficient and effective financial department. With their help, they can get you to where you want to be with reporting, with audit support. It has made things a lot smoother and given access to more employees within our department.
B1 has been a pretty big upgrade for us. It just allows us, again, a visibility that we've not seen previously. We didn't have the ability to see full inventories. We didn't see full pending orders. So it does allow us to see that, so I can raise notice if we need to order something or do something different within the operation.
When you think about how B1 Solutions started and developed itself to what it become today, you basically understand that growth is in our DNA. We grew with our customers. Many times we opened subsidiaries and started operations in location where our customers started their operations. So in many cases, we followed our customers, and if tomorrow you have a new business somewhere, you can trust that we will follow you as well.
So if I had to describe B1 Solutions in 3 words, I would describe them as B1 Solution gets it done.